In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pointer in PowerPoint. This skill is particularly handy for those times when you're presenting and want to pinpoint specific parts of your slides to draw your audience's attention exactly where you want it. It's like wielding a little laser light, but all from within PowerPoint, making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. First things first, let's get your PowerPoint open. If you've used it recently, clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your applications folder should bring you to the opening screen. From here, you're looking to open your presentation file where you want to add the pointer effect. This could be a recent file, or you might need to browse your folders to find it. Take a moment to locate your desired presentation and open it up, ready for the next steps. Now, you might be used to editing slides in the typical edit mode, but for this trick, we need to see your slides in action. To do this, you're going to hit F5 on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that immediately starts the slideshow from the beginning. If you need to start from a specific slide, be sure to select that slide first before pressing F5. Your slides will now fill the screen, giving you the full presentation view. With your slideshow running, you'll want to bring up the pointer options. To do that, right-click on the slide currently showing. This action opens a context menu filled with options that can enhance your presentation, but the one we're interested in today is about halfway down this menu, listed as pointer options. Hover over pointer options and you'll see it expands to reveal a few different types of pointers you can use. These options typically include things like an arrow, a pen, and the highlight of today's tutorial, the laser pointer. The laser pointer is a fantastic tool for drawing attention to specific information without marking your slides permanently, as the pen and highlight options would. Go ahead and select the laser pointer. Upon selection, you'll notice your cursor transforms into a bright laser-like dot. This dot can be controlled entirely by your mouse or touchpad, letting you direct your audience's attention wherever you fancy on the slide. The color of the laser pointer can vary depending on the default settings or themes of your PowerPoint presentation, often showing as red, which is particularly visible against most backgrounds. Using the laser pointer is quite straightforward. Just move your mouse or touchpad around and the laser pointer follows, allowing you to underscore facts, circle key concepts, or simply guide the viewer's eyes through complex diagrams or extensive text. Remember, the purpose of the laser pointer is to enhance understanding, to guide, and to emphasize, without distracting from the presentation's main message. And there you go. That's how you add and use a laser pointer in your PowerPoint presentations. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, practice moving the laser pointer smoothly. Sudden, jerky movements can be distracting. Second, only use the pointer when necessary. Overuse can make your presentation seem unfocused. And lastly, don't forget to turn off the laser pointer when you're done by simply right-clicking and deselecting it, or pressing the ESC button to exit the slideshow view. Harnessing the power of the laser pointer in your PowerPoint presentations can significantly enhance your audience's engagement. It's a simple yet effective tool to ensure that your key points are communicated clearly and memorably. So next time you're gearing up for a presentation, remember this handy feature that's right at your fingertips, ready to help you illuminate your ideas with precision and flair. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. We hope you found these insights helpful and feel more confident in using PowerPoint to its fullest potential. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out these steps ahead of your next big presentation. Happy presenting!